Hi, I'm Laura. I'm here with my Pilates tip of the week. Today we are going to look at the neck in the hundreds. Not everyone's favorite thing, but it can be done without feeling like your neck tension is going to take over the joy of the burning abs. So it's all about the setup. In a perfect world, we can go into hundreds, pulse away, and feel nothing but tons of ab work. And yeah, the neck's working, but we're not really noticing it. Hip flexors are working, we're not really noticing it. That's the perfect world, but a lot of things have to go right for that to happen. It's not always going to work for everyone. So the key points in the setup, if we can start with the hands supporting the head, that's already going to give you a better chance of getting there. I'm going to ignore the lower body for a second. Start with the jaw to the ceiling. And then find a little pivot forward, so you're looking towards your knees. Keep the hands supporting the head as you use those abs to bring yourself off. See if that can already give you a good starting position. And then once you're there, take one arm long, see if you can maintain that neck position as we take the other leg arm long and pulse away. Okay? If you get up poorly with either a chin jut or pushing the head forward, it's already, you're not going to be able to get out of that. So chin to the ceiling, elbows a little bit lifted with some head support with the hands, a small pivot forward, and as the abs take over, let the head maintain that position, maintain it, and then really be conscious of maintaining it as the arms come to that lengthened position, that we're not then losing that neck position where you'll have to start to lower the head and bring it all up again. Once you're there, easy to add the legs in to keep that position, and you can always lower down, refine that while you're en route to getting that neck patterning really automatic and really working well for you. You could even learn to love the hundreds.